In 2014, Yantai Rima Machinery Company Limited is a supplier specializing in the research, development, sales, and service of agricultural and forestry machinery such as log splitter, stump grinder, sawmill. We are located in Yantai with convenient transportation. Committed to strict quality control and considerate customer service, our experienced staff are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure complete customer satisfaction. Frankly speaking, we have very rich experience in the field of agricultural and forestry machinery, and we have the ability to design the most durable, high-performance machines to meet the needs of different customers. Our products have many types and models which can meet the needs of many customers. In addition, since July 2018, our firewood processors have passed the CE certification and even more stringent requirements for CE regulations. All our products are exported to customers in Germany, France, Britain, Italy, Sweden, Canada, and other countries and regions. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether you are selecting current products from our catalog or seeking engineering help for your application, you can consult our customer service center for your procurement requirements. Importantly, for after-sales service, Rima has a dedicated after-sales service team. We can provide customers with solutions quickly, and if necessary, we will send replacement parts by express. We believe unity is the beginning. Unity is progress. Working together is success.